Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are reporting live from Walgreens. Yes, we are back at Walgreens for another week because they got some really good stuff going on this week. And today we're going to kick it all digital. I didn't even feel like messing with paper coupons, so we're going to do a really quick and easy digital haul. So this first deal up, you actually want to order online. Probably for an online pickup would probably be the easiest so that you can get a paper receipt. So I just did this deal, or attempted to do this deal at the store, and I realized that online these are priced for $27.99, but in store they are actually full price at $34.99. So you do come out better doing it online. So I went ahead and did an online pickup order in the store to grab this item. So what you want to do is pick up one for $27.99. Use the $15 off of one digital coupon. Loaded to my account, I also have a spin booster for spend $22 and get $5 in Walgreens cash that I want to use to bring down the price on this. So I'm using that in this transaction as well. So what you want to do is buy one of them for $27.99. Use that $15 digital coupon. That's going to leave your total at $12.99. Now I can use up to $5 in Walgreens cash and I'll still be paying out $22. So I did use $5 in Walgreens cash and that left me to pay $7.99 plus tax. So you want to pay the $7.99 and then submit back to Ibotta for $5 in cash back. That's gonna make this baby that is $34.99 regular price just $2.99. And normally I would tell you, with razors to get a freebie or a cheapie, but $2.99 is an excellent price for this kit. You're getting one razor, the razor stand, a travel case, and 3 cartridges. So I really have been wanting to get this for my husband. This is a great deal. Something else that happened that I was not expecting when I went to purchase this at the register. So not only did I get a paper point booster for $10 when you spend $50, but this manufacturer register award printed for $6 off my next purchase of P&G products, you guys. A $6 register reward printed just when that razor was scanned. So when I read up to the register and this Gillette Labs razor was scanned, this baby printed right here. Now I did not complete that purchase. I went on ahead and canceled it and ordered it online, but they still let me have the coupon. So this was a free $6 register reward. So just keep that in mind that this purchase for some reason is generating $6. And something else I thought about ways to do this in store is if you have one of these 20% off coupons, it should work on this item because this item is full price. So you can use that 20% off coupon. That would bring it down to $27.99, which is the same deal as the online price. And then hopefully that $6 register reward would print for you as well. That would make this deal a moneymaker. And here is my receipt for this Gillette razor deal with my online pickup order. So as you can see, that's the only thing I picked up in this order. It was $27.99. I used that $15 coupon. That brought me down to $12.99. I redeemed that $5 in Walgreens cash. That's the most that I could use since I was using a point booster for this deal. And then I did pay the $7.99 plus tax. Then I submitted over to Ibotta for $5 in cash back, and I got back $5 for my point booster. So after paying that $12.99, I got back a total of $10, making that razor only $2.99. One deal I won't be doing because I don't need any toothpaste is on the Colgate, but this is a nice freebie this week if you do need it. So these were on sale for $3.99, and then when you buy 2, you're gonna get back $4 in Walgreens cash. So pick up 2 of these babies for $7.98. Use our $4 off of 2 digital coupon. That'll leave you to pay $3.98, but then get back $4 in Walgreens cash, making 2 boxes completely free. The next deal I'm grabbing is a really nice deal on the Nair. So these products are buy one, get one 50% off. And then when you buy 2, you can submit back for $12 in cash back on swag bucks. So we're gonna pick up 2 of these sensitive formula Nair products. That's gonna total us up to $12.73. We're gonna submit back to swag bucks for $12, making it just 73 cents for 2 of them. The next deal I'm grabbing is on the soft soap. So we're gonna get these smaller bottles that are $2.49. We're gonna pick up a total of 4 of these. These are buy one, get one 50% off. So we're gonna pick up a total of 4, and I have 2 different digital coupons that we're gonna be using. I have one for 75 cents and then one for 85 cents. So all 4 of these are gonna total us up to $5.97. With my 2 digital coupons, I should pay $4.37 at the register. But then I'm going to get back a $4 register reward, making my final cost just 37 cents for all 4, or making these just 9 cents each. All right, you guys, so since I just got this $6 in free money, I'm gonna go on ahead and spend it because I do not like leaving the store with register rewards or anything like that, because I'm not guaranteed to come back to Walgreens. So I'm gonna pick up 4 of these Downy products. The Downy, the Tide Simply, and other products are on sale 4 for $9. I'm gonna pick up 4 of the Downy because that's what I need the most, and I'm gonna be using this $6 register reward. That's gonna make my final cost $3 for all 4 of them, or just 75 cents each. So now I'm gonna go and check out. I'm gonna do the Downy, I'm gonna grab the soft soap, and I'm gonna grab these 2 Nair. I'm gonna be using that $6 register reward and then my digital coupons for the soft soap, and I'm also gonna be using a point booster for spend 22, get 5. So let's see how this deal works. All right, you guys, so I just checked out with that second transaction. We did the Downy, we did the Nair, and we did the soft soap. Let me show you how that transaction worked out. So here's everything that we picked up in that deal. Let me see if I can get that to focus. There's our Nair, there's our soft soap, and then there is our 4 Downy. So I used the $6 register reward that I got for free, and then my 2 digital coupons for the soft soap. I also redeemed out $5 in Walgreens cash for this deal. So my subtotal after my coupons was $21.59. Then I got back $4 for the soft soap. I also got back $5 for my point booster, $5.24 to be exact, in this transaction. And I did submit back over to Swag Bucks, and I got back $12 for the Nair. And it was an instant award. I didn't have to like submit it for review or anything. I instantly got that $12 back. So we got back $21.24 after spending out $21.59. That transaction with the Downy, with the soft soap, and the Nair was only 35 cents. And of course, if I did not have that free $6 in this transaction, it would have been $6.35. So you can factor that in however you want to. But if you do have a register reward that you can add in, then you can reduce your out-of-pocket as well. Next deal we're grabbing is on the Bounty. I'm super excited about this deal. So you guys, the Bounty, Charmin, and some other products are on sale. Buy 2, get back a $6 register reward this week, and they are $10.99 each. Now, the reason I'm excited about this deal is because we have a brand new $8 off of 2 digital coupon that you can find on select accounts. Now, I have 3 different Walgreens accounts. Only 2 of them got this coupon. The other one did not get this coupon, so I know it's not on all accounts. Now, if you don't have the 8 off of 2 digital coupon, stay tuned just a little while longer. I'm going to give you a breakdown for how you can still do this deal and make it almost just as cheap as the one I'm going to be doing today without that digital. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick up 2 of these, and thank you to GME Coupons for posting this breakdown on Instagram. We're going to pick up 2 of these for $10.99. Let me show you the breakdown. All right, you guys, so both of these Downy are going to total us up to $21.98. I'm going to be using that 8 off of 2 digital coupon, and I have a point booster for $5 in Walgreens cash when you spend 20. And if you are saying, Star Girl, how you got so many point boosters? It is because I'm using different Walgreens accounts. I have 3 different Walgreens accounts. So I'm going to be using that point booster for spend 20, get back $5 in Walgreens cash, and that 8 off of 2 digital coupon. So that is going to leave my balance at $13.98. Then I'm going to get back $5 for spending 20, and I'm also going to get back a $6 register reward. That's going to make my final cost for these just $2.98 or $1.49 per pack for a Bounty, which is crazy. Now, if you don't have the digital coupon, let me show you what you can do in order to still get it in on this deal. So what you want to do is pick up 2 of these, and that's going to total you up to $21.98. You can use a $1 manufacturer coupon on one of them if you have it. I think we have a $1 digital, and then that would bring you down to $20.98 at the register. So pay the $20.98 in cash, but then get back $5 for your point booster if you have a spend 20 point booster. Get back the $6 register reward for buying 2 of them. And you want to submit back to P&G. We have the reward where if you spend $20 on P&G products, it's a rebate, you will get back $5 in cash. So that'll be a total back of $16 after you spent out that $20.98. That would make your final cost for these just $4.98, or just $2.49 each, which is only $1 more than the deal with the $8 digital. Now, I'm also going to try to use this register reward from the soft soap that we just earned. Hopefully my digital coupon still works with me using this register reward, because I want to reduce down my out-of-pocket a little bit. So because I'm using that spend 20 point booster, I'm not going to be able to pay with points, but I will be able to pay with a register reward to help me out a little bit as far as out-of-pocket cost. So let's see how this deal goes. All right, you guys, so I am back at home. Let me show you a close-up of my receipt for this Bounty transaction so you can see how it went. So there are my 2 Bounty at $10.99. Y'all, paper towels are so high. So $10.99 each, and then I was able to use that $4 register reward with that $8 digital coupon. When you are doing that, if you're using a register reward with this digital coupon, make sure that your cashier actually scans each individual pack of Bounty. So don't let them like enter in the quantity, let them actually scan each item. So scan each pack of Bounty so that you have 2 items for your 2 coupons to attach to. So that brought my subtotal down to $9.98, and then I did get back the $5 from my point booster. Now what I did not get back in this deal is my $6 register reward. So my register reward did not print for some reason with this deal, so my store gave me $6 in Walgreens cash instead, which I was completely okay with. I just showed them the sign that they had up. They gave me $6 in Walgreens cash, so it all worked out. And if for some reason your register reward does not print out for this deal as well, a couple other options that you have. One is you can reach out to the Catalina company and file a ticket with them, and they can physically mail you a register reward. I will have the link to do that in the description box, or you can also try reaching out to Walgreens customer service. All right, you guys, so this is my complete Walgreens haul for today. All of these items, including this Bounty and this Downy that we don't get to coupon that often, ended up costing me a little bit over $6 because we paid about $3 for the razor. We paid about $3 for the Bounty, and then our other transaction was just 35 cents. So you guys, we paid about $6.35 today for all of these products, and these are products that we don't get that often. So I'm super excited about that, especially using all digital coupons. So let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. I thank you all so much for watching today's video, and as always, you guys, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.